Yes. It's so much to talk about. So much to talk about. Now we have this thing going on, the coronavirus or the COVID-19 going on, and this thing put a lot of stress on people. A lot of stress. I'm more to talk to a whole heap of people right now. Just whole heap of people want to talk to. Alright, more say this to the judges them and the police them. You see, you all already upon lockdown. I know this thing put a lot of stress on your head. And more the police them for know say yo. You see when you do your job right. Cause a whole heap of you can't deal with the lockdown we're going right now. Whole heap of you. Cause I know a few. We say Lord God they don't know what they do lock up in a house. Right? So you see when you do your job right, when you lock up a man, you know say yo, at that them go through when them in a lock up here. Worse than that, cause you lock up in your house and you can't manage it. And them lock up in a jail. Pan concrete. Something where a human rights violation. Yes, me I say. But we now go down another part, but once if you know you lock up a man, you have to sure say the man do something. And the same thing goes for the judges them. If you say yo, if you feel like this person's not guilty, let him go. We feel like it's best for you let go a man who do a crime than lock up a man who do it. When they do it. Sorry, my excuse. I feel like it's best for you let go a man who do it than lock up an innocent person. One of the wickedest thing that. So with that said, a whole heap of you can't manage it. So enough of no feeling right now where innocent people feel are, just people on a daily basic. Alright. Another thing I want to talk to the government now. I just hope the government, learn something from this. Cause, during this thing we're going on here, a lot of farmers couldn't even get to them field. And I feel like that is just straight foolishness. That I want to first you should allow the farmers them once them have them approved, say yo them I got them farm, them should be able to get them farm and plant so we can eat. Cause suppose the rest of the country them they stop for them farmers from for them people from going to the factories. We couldn't get no flour. And I hope you learn. We need a flour mill at Jamaica because we love dumpling. And we need to start growing rice again because we love rice. So get the people them back to working. Flour mill not hard for build. China we build it. Once you pay for it, then we come over here and build it. We cannot make motorcycle. We don't make nothing but bicycle we don't make at Jamaica. So suppose to stop get car from China. From other places. Nothing but bicycle we can't ride. Come on, man. We are the proudest set of people and the most bossy set of people in the world. And we're not building nothing but bicycle. So I just hope people learn from this thing, And you see, I get into a topic, Because Jamaica said them fight crime. And they not fight a crime. I see police them harass the innocent people. That's how I see them harass. You see all a bad man will run on free. Once in a while let me catch one work with bad man. Just me say they not fight a crime. Peer harassment, if you leave from yourself to go to a place, soldier tap you, ask where you going, it's like you almost have your hope say I tell you if you go through. Like they might just turn it back around, like you're not free to move around your country. You're not fighting crime that. You have a checkpoint where everybody knows that the checkpoint is there. So all them have to do is go around the checkpoint. Why you not have a mobile unit where people them dip on the street 1 minute, next minute then dip on other street somewhere. You just buck up in them. Why you can't do that? You want me to say you can't buy a RV, give the soldiers them? I want to do with the money. Where the money there? You can't buy a RV and give the soldiers them where them can park up anyway. And set up them checkpoint. You have a checkpoint. Me know when the checkpoint, when I reach to the checkpoint, I say, Lord God, I reach up to the checkpoint now. Me know when I reach up to it. Everybody know. Unless I never traveled the road before. You don't fight a crime that way there. First of all, if you fight crime, you have to build prison, first of all. Because if me a plan to go make some juice, me I buy some bacca. I don't have not a prison. A prison when I full. And you know, I want to touch upon the topic of prison. If you ask all the people in that prison right now, most of the people in that prison, what is them trade? Them are say laborer. So you have more than enough laborer in there to build some prison. You know? You have more than enough laborer. Alright, if people them sitting up in that prison, like, not doing anything. As far as me can see, it look like them not do nothing. Yes, me say, they not do nothing. So, me sit down. Me is a farmer. And me a cut up some dasheen. You know, for go plant. And when me sit down there, me I say, yo, you know, rather could I not bring in a portion of dasheen in there for the man them prepare it for the farmers them. Make them make a, you know, if them make a 10 cent off of each dasheen where them prepare, you know, these things could help out the farmers them. Give the inmate them something for do and make them make a 10 cent of each one or whatever cent off of each one, and them turn it back over to rather bring it to the farmers. You know, police vehicle cannot go and get washed, you know, and stuff like that. Them cannot make uniform, make desks, you know, do all type of stuff, chicken farm, all this stuff them cannot do in a prison. Because them need it, you know. I guarantee you they're crying out for that in a prison, because guess what? When the man them get for work, then get for tired and then get for sleep good. You know, so them need all trade and all these things when them come out. Them have them trade and thing. You occupy them mind so you don't have so many mental patient. You know, you don't think about that. That's something. These are human beings where you can be innocent and end up in there too. So these are some ideas you need to work on. Listen to the people them, work on these things while you have the power. Because guess what? One thing about power and one thing about money. You will have the money and don't see what you need to do with it. But as soon as you lose the money, you see everything you should do with it. So right now you have the power, and I guarantee you is when you come out of the power, and this is for all of the politicians them, I guarantee you is when you out of the power, you see everything you should do. So right now you have the power, listen to the people them. Radio station, you get a whole heap of ideas off radio station. You know, listen to the people them and do these things and make this country be a wonderful country where people don't want to leave and run God's other white man country. The people want to stay at Jamaica. I will be ashamed if everybody will come on my yard or run from my yard. I will be ashamed. Yes, me I say if my kids them don't want to stay at the yard, me I say, yeah, they want to go somewhere else. Something must be wrong. So make this country wonderful where nobody no want to leave. If them do leave, certain country people don't want to leave. If you live in America, you know, say, yo, people from places like Barbados, you know, you don't see a lot of people from Barbados, America. Them don't really leave. Yes, me I say, so you have countries that people don't really leave them country for really go to America. So, you know, make this country be wonderful where people want to stay here. So, I hope these ideas are helpful. And I hope, you know, all the judges and the police them and everybody will go through this lockdown, don't like the feeling. And you know, before I forget, you know, most of the business place I go to Jamaica, honestly, I don't even like to go to business place. I don't even like to go to tax office, go nowhere really. Government business or private business. You go to hardware and people talk to you like you're nobody. You know, customer service at Jamaica stinks. Yes, me I say, so, and everybody know. Everybody know. Unless you're a famous person, when you walk up in there, they might give you all this respect. But you walk up in these places, people don't know if to talk to you. And you know, so many people have them subjects and so many people need jobs. Why these people who don't know if to talk to you, why you can't report them and they get fired after them get warned a few times? I actually go to the hardware and me have to, you actually have to avoid some of these clerk and some of these cashier. Because I'm rude. It's not only there, anywhere you go, it's just customer service, they're just rude and they keep them job. You know, no matter what you call the supervisor and say, yo, this person talked to me this way and that way. Them keep them job. And you have so many people, subjects looking for jobs. And I guarantee you, if people should put on them foot and start Lego these people with this attitude and people start to say, yo, people get Lego with the attitude, they be the nicest set of people. When you got a foreign country and somebody rude to you and you call the supervisor, them straighten up real fast. Why Jamaica stay so? You know? So, you know, for everybody, these politicians and everybody have power. Right now that you have the power, make changes. Because once the power leave, you can't make a changes. So, I hope this been some words that you might take in. I know, so yo, we need to make changes. You know, we need to make changes and make this country be a wonderful country again.